All right, this lesson 8.1 is add and subtract within 10. And what you really need to know is, and think about strategies. So if you had 4 plus 5, you want to think of some strategies that we know. Well, we know doubles. So I could do 4. So that would lead me to think, so what I'm thinking of is a double. I'm thinking of a double 4. So 4 plus 4 is 8. But I know that 5 is really 4 and 1. So I've already used these two 4s right here, so I have to still add my 1 more. So that's why we call it doubles plus 1. And that's going to equal 9. Because we're going to add 1 more to 9. Also remember we have things, so say you were doing 11 minus 6. Well, I know I can subtract 10 pretty easily, so I want to get 11 to 10, so I can do a 6. I know that 1 and 5 is 6. So I can subtract these two numbers first, right? So I would have 11 minus 1 equals 5. Then I still have my second number that I need to subtract over here. So then I would have 5 minus, 11 minus 1 is 10. Your teacher is thinking weird. So, because I wanted to make a 10. So I have 11 minus 1 is 10. So then I have to subtract that 10 from 5. Well, I know that 10 minus 5 equals 5 because I know that 5 plus 5 is 10. So those are two different strategies that we have in order to add. We can try to make a 10 or subtract a 10, or we can use a doubles or make a 10 if we need to. So if we have, let's say, for make a 10, we might have 8 plus 7. Well, I want to make one of these numbers into a 10 when I add. So in order that my closest number would be 8, so I know to get 8 to 10 I need 2 more. And I know that 2 and 5 is equal to 7. That's my number bond right there. So I'm going to add the 8 and the 2 right now. 8 plus 2 is 10 if I add these two first. Then I have an extra 5 that I need to add on over here. So I would have 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. Another way to do it too is just to draw a picture. So if I had, let's just say I had 13 minus 6. And I can draw a picture of that. So I can draw my 13. 1, 2, 3. You know what? I'm going to erase this and I'm going to do some easy circles. That might be a little easier for me. Alright, so I need 13. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I can draw a picture of that, and I need to take 6 away. So I'm going to take and circle 6. So I have my 3 right here. Let me undo that one. We have our 3 right here. And then I'm going to circle another 3. And I'm left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, because these ones get crossed off. So 13 minus 6 equals 7. So another way is just to draw a picture. All right, that was lesson 8.1.